Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something powerful and exciting to unbox. It's the Dongcheng Cordless Brushless Rotary Hammer Dczc 04-24. If you're looking for serious drilling and hammering performance in a compact, cordless package, you're going to want to see what's inside this box. From its brushless motor to the multi-mode function and rugged design, this tool is built for the job site and beyond. So let's crack it open and take a closer look at what comes in the box and what makes this rotary hammer stand out. Introducing the Dczc 04-24 Type DM/EM/FK/Z, a powerful and versatile cordless rotary hammer drill built to meet the highest demands of both professionals and serious DIYers, offering exceptional performance with its 20 VMAX brushless motor and available configurations that include 4.0A×1, 4.0A×2, 5.0A×2 batteries or solo unit for added flexibility, while delivering a strong 2.7J of impact energy to tackle tough jobs with ease, featuring a variable no-load speed of 0-1000 R/min and a rated impact frequency of 0-4500/min. This tool is engineered for precision and power across various materials, achieving a maximum drilling capacity of 4 mm in concrete, 13 mm in steel, and 28 mm in wood, making it ideal for construction, renovation, and repair work. Equipped with a 3-mode operation system including drill, rotary hammer, and demolition modes, along with an electronic constant speed control for consistent performance, and a combination of mechanical and electronic clutch designs to enhance safety and control, weighing between 2.6 kilograms and 3.2 kilograms depending on the model and battery setup.
See the light indications to show where you are able to put this.
FK includes 5.0A×2 with 4A charger, BM comes with 4.0A×2 and 2A charger, and DM features 4.0A×1 with 2A charger, offering flexible power solutions to match your workload, making the Dczc 04-24 a truly reliable and efficient choice for demanding drilling tasks. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information reach us at dczc-supplies.com or email us at sales@dczc-supplies.com.